Welcome back, guys, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your Calltools call dispositions. Now, if this is the first time you're hearing of dispositions, it's just a fancy word for the buttons that show up at the end of the screen when you're done having a call with a seller. Now, I have a PDF here to make it real easy to understand. So this is what call dispositions are for. So at the end of the call, whenever you finish talking to whoever you spoke with, sometimes it's the wrong number, sometimes it actually is the property owner, sometimes it's a relative of the property owner. Whenever you've spoken to them, you have to click a call disposition. So what happened? What was the result of the call? Right? Maybe you didn't speak to anybody and you have to call them back again. Maybe you actually spoke with the owner and the house is sold. Or maybe you spoke to the wrong number. This is not the property owner's phone. Or maybe, yes, they are interested in selling. And now we can actually go ahead and press this and push the leads to Calltools, which is our CRM where we would follow up with them, go over the comps, and then send them over the contract. Now, you have the not interested for if you spoke with the property owner and they're not interested in selling their house. Then you have the DNC entire contact. This is if you spoke with the correct property owner, but they got super pissed and they said to never call them again and to remove them from the list. So DNC entire contact. And then DNC this number. This means you called the wrong number and they got super pissed and requested that you never call them again. Okay, so we're going to be setting up these call dispositions. That way, anytime you're done having a call on the dialer, you will be able to press the best call disposition so we know what needs to happen next, if the seller needs to be removed from the list, if that was the wrong number and we need to delete that number from our system, right? So we have these call dispositions to mark the results of the call, because the entire point of cold calling a list is to weed out the people that are not interested. That way you can find the people that are looking to sell their property. And in the process of weeding them out and removing the people that are not interested, we need these dispositions so we can remove people that are wrong number. We can remove people that are interested and we already spoke to. We can remove people that they already sold their house. We can remove people that are not interested in selling. Okay, so that's why we have these call dispositions. So I'm going to show you how to set them up right now. I'm in here. So I have a brand new account with me because I want to basically set up a brand new account to show you what it looks like when you first purchase it and what you got to tweak to it. So as soon as you purchase Calltools and you sign up, you're going to go into contacts. You're going to go to data and call dispositions. And now if you go to call dispositions, you're going to see the standard call dispositions that you have. Now we are going to make just one or two tweaks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come here to sale made and we're going to edit that to yes interested, because that fits our business model much better. So yes interested. Okay, that's gonna fix. We're gonna refresh so it can load. So yes interested, call back again, appointment scheduled, transferred, no contact, left voicemail, wrong number, not interested, DNC all numbers, and DNC this contact. We're gonna go ahead and create one button that we're missing here. Go here to create new call disposition and we're gonna do DNC entire contact. This would be when you actually talk to the property owner and they request that you never reach out to them again. This is going to DNC the entire contact. So we're going to go here, put DNC entire contact. We're going to select the gray color. And we're going to go over here and we're going to select set phone number as DNC. Just trust me on this. Now, once we've saved that, we're pretty much done with the call dispositions.